So finally December is here for a year, which I guess the whole world wants to end. What a year it has been, right? So many ups and downs. But today, I'm not here to discuss the year 2020, but to share a very unique product with all of you. So in this video, I will tell you why I'm saying this product is unique, what's the price, the taste, and does the product serve its purpose. So stay tuned till the end. But before I do any of that, just press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now with that being said, let's roll the intro. So right now, the working class is very busy. A lot of deadlines to meet, but no time to sit and have a meal. So how would one get energy to keep on going? I hope you see a product need here. A product that can be consumed without spending much time in the preparation or stopping what one is doing at that time, and provides the energy that keeps one going. Now many of you would be regularly consuming protein bars or meal replacement bars. But what about a beverage that can act as a meal replacer? And here come the meal beverages from the brand Feed. So I was able to get all the three flavors which they have launched, and these three are priced at €3.95, which for me would be equal to a cheap sandwich you could get in the supermarkets as well. Now, before we move on to the ingredients and the labeling part of this product, you should know what a meal replacement beverage is. So a meal replacement beverage is basically designed to replace your meal, and therefore it is supposed to have 100% of the nutrients that you would generally get from a meal. Now one thing you should keep in mind is that the replacement is in functional terms and not the pleasure that we associate with. So here you can see that the package is pretty similar for all these three products, except from the different color circles at the top of the cap, with dark brown for chocolate and red for the red berries and yellow, kind of yellow, for the vanilla. Now let's talk about the ingredients, and I'll probably start with the ones which are same between all of these three, and that one is water because it's a beverage, so why am I saying that even, which is followed by maltodextrin, which is kind of a bulk ingredient and does provide a little bit of sweetness but isn't considered a sweetener. And then moving on, we have soy protein isolate as the source of protein here, and that thing has been marked in bold because in Europe, if you have an allergen in product, you don't have to separately declare it, it just can be, the name can be made bold. The sunflower oil and rapeseed oil, they act as a source of fat here, and since we have fat, it will separate, so lecithin has been used as emulsifier, but lecithin has not been made bold. That means that it's not coming from soy. And then we have oat fiber to improve the fiber content and make this product a source of fiber, as they state on the packaging as well. Now fiber is very important if anyone is trying to make a meal replacement beverage, because the fiber that we consume, it gives you a satiety feeling. Along with that, we have some additives like guar gum and locust bean gum, whose purpose is to stabilize the product and enhance the thickness. Now the thickness along with the fiber content, they both are kind of a contributor to your perception of satiety. And then since they had to make a 100% nutritionally replaceable meal, they have added a lot of minerals and vitamins to balance the nutrition out. Now moving on, let's talk about the differentiating ingredients, which I think all of you would have guessed. So yes, those ingredients, they are the flavor and the colors that are added. So they do say all of the colors and the flavors, they are natural ones, and the chocolate one also comes with defatted cocoa powder. While the red berries, we see the colors, flavors and purees. We have puree of strawberry and we have puree of raspberry. But to prevent the color loss, they have added lycopene as well. And then all these three beverages, they are vegan, but they have added artificial sweetener sucralose, which for me could have been replaced with agave syrup or honey to just enhance the naturality of these products, which for me they aren't anywhere close to natural. Now one thing I really liked about these products was how extensively they have declared the nutrition information. So you have the recommended daily intakes with the amounts per 100 ml as well as 500 ml. But one thing which I found really funny was in this berry product, in which they are saying that the product is a source of fiber, but when I tried to calculate it, it falls short of being a source. So in EU, for a product to be a source of fiber, it has to have 1.5 gram of fiber per 100 kilocalories. Now this product it's at 1.4 gram, so it is less, and I don't know how they are saying. So if a consumer would complain about it, they are definitely gonna fall in some kind of trouble. But these products, they are UST sterilized, so that gives them a good shelf life, and then they are not using a Tetra Pak. These are recyclable bottles, which I really liked. And I found one thing very odd here, that these products, based on what they have declared in their nutrition, they are a source of protein. However, I could not see that word on the packaging, so I don't know why they didn't put it there. But if I had to buy this product, I would say that it is, based on the ingredients I am seeing here, it's overpriced definitely for what they are offering. Alright, so since these products, they are supposed to be a meal replacer, I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I'll be probably best able to guess how fulfilling these products are. And I'll probably start with the vanilla one first, because it's the mildest flavor of these three. Alright, let's start from the first one. As I said, I'll start with vanilla. I think it is probably better if I shake it, because there's so many powders, they would have sedimented. And since I'm going to taste all of them, I'm not gonna fill up on this one. Okay, the moment of truth. This isn't very bad, and there's very long-lasting vanilla flavor that they're using, and it kind of overpowers the metal taste you are getting from the minerals and the sandy kind of taste. But and you can see here how thick it is. So this really gives you a good mouth feel as well. If it's thick, it will stay longer irrespective of the kind of fat you are using. Yeah, but as I'm consuming more of it, I'm getting more and more overpowering metal taste, because as I said, they have lots and lots of vitamins and minerals. So they are giving a very different taste, which I don't think so anybody would be used to. But I won't say it is very bad, and it is kind of fulfilling as well. Alright, so this one is done. Now I'll do the red berry one. Okay, so the first one wasn't that great, but now I have more hopes on this one. So it smells strawberries, that is for sure, but you'll see the color. It's not like red like this. See? Like, it's pretty dull red. Oh. Wow. Okay, so I do get a little of the strawberries and the raspberries they have added, the puree they have added, but that's just like 1 second or so, and rest is all of the metal taste. It's so overpowering that I don't think so if anybody could finish this 500 ml. It's just too unnatural. Even the flavor I'm getting of the strawberries, it's not natural. Wow. I thought like since the fruits would be acidic, they would like counter this metal taste, but this one is really disappointing. It's worse than vanilla as well. Okay, so the final one, and after the last one, I really don't have much hopes from this. Wow. Okay, so first thoughts, this one is much better, very thick, and the color definitely is chocolate, so full marks on that. I would say the cocoa is really good, but it could have been a little sweeter. Then I don't know if it would be balanced or what, but definitely again in this one also I'm getting too much metal taste. So my final take would be, if anybody is looking to buy, go for the vanilla one, because that is still better than both these two. Definitely don't buy the red berry one. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you are well and you're following the social distancing norms wherever you are. And if you like this video, as always, do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And in comments, let me know what product you would like me to cover in the next video. So see you in the next one.